What's up guys, it's Austin, and as many of you guys know, this is my $125 Jeep, or as I like to call it, the cheapest Jeep in America. It's time to rewire it, so what I did is I went on Amazon, sorted by price, and looked up wiring harness. This is what I came up with. $39.99. I got my buddy Michael, and we're going to rewire this Jeep. So as you can see, I've taken out the seats. The floorboard is a lot more rusted than I had thought. I'll figure out how to fix that. Right now I'm worried about the wiring. I'm going to go ahead and take out the rest of the rubber and clean it out a little bit and then work on the wiring again. Get over it a little bit. Push. Alright, so we got that installed. I went ahead and ran the power to it. Left a little extra room in it. How do you think it's going to go?
I'm excited, man. I think it'll go pretty well.
I hope it'll go pretty well. Alright, so we just wired in the ignition switch. So from here we're going to wire in the starter solenoid, which theoretically all we have to do is get that wired in, get the distributor wired in, and get the alternator wired in, and it'll run, and then we can worry about everything else. Right? Did I have that right?
Yeah. Hopefully, I mean, we've never done this. So.
No, this is all new. Yeah. I mean, at worst, I'm out $39.
Yep.
But then the next cheapest one's $59.
And we still have the fuse box, so I mean, $39 fuse box is what, at least $15. It's plastic shitty fuse box, but still.
Don't mess with my fuse box. Don't shit talk my fuse
box.
For $39, it's not terrible. Alright guys, so I was working on this last night, and I tried to get this running, and it wouldn't start. It turns out the ignition switch I got was defective. So I took it up to Advanced, did a defective exchange, got it in today, put it on, and I'm about to try to start it for the first time. So here goes. It runs!